Aloha, everyone. My name is Kriska Kekoa Montemayor, and this is my student development presentation. I chose the topic of how to make large tasks into small tasks because this is what helped me the most in adjusting to being a university student. And if you notice in my previous comments, especially on how to make stress your friend, I talked about freezing when I have this research papers and other things that I have to do, and they're due on the same day. And that's because of that large task that's overwhelming me. And so I hope this will help you guys. So the advantage of doing this, making your large tasks into small tasks, is that it relieves stress. Second, helps you feel productive. Third, helps you make steady progress towards your goals. And then helps you avoid distraction and especially procrastination. This principle is also taught in the scriptures. In Alma 37, verse 6, it says, "By small and simple things are great things brought to pass." And small means in many instances that confound the wise. So we are trying to achieve this great thing, but before we can do that, we gotta do small and simple things. And this is also taught in a children's story in the turtle and the rabbit, where the rabbit um, challenged the turtle on a race and ends up losing because he procrastinated and went to sleep while the turtle just walked one step at a time. And so this is very important. We can apply it on our in our lives as well. And so now that you know why and what, here's how to break down the large tasks into small tasks. So first one is to look at the big picture. Make sure you understand what the end product is supposed to look like. So one thing that I like the most doing is looking at the Canvas calendar, because I can see what's due tomorrow, today, and basically next few days, and so I can plan ahead on what I can do. And after looking at the big picture, we have to examine the parts that we can do so that we can know how to cut it. And so an example of this is in my ID 240 class. We have to know what will be the content, what will be the codes, and what will be the design. And after knowing this, we have to arrange it. So think about the logical order of completing the pieces. What should you do first, second, third, etc. Right? So I can't design the web page first, or I can't code it first without knowing the content of the web page. And the third step is to create a timeline for completing your tasks. Having a deadline will make you more focused for each task. So going back to Canvas calendar, you can put your own deadline there, or your own tag, where you can write, or you can choose the date and time. And yeah, so this will help you keep track. And after having the timeline, you have to plan to help you stay on track. Put the time you will spend on the project into your schedule so that you can set aside the time for it. Stick with this plan. A plan is only good if you see it through, right? So for me, I have a short attention span, so I like to do things like within 30 minutes. But if you have a longer attention span, you can do it for an hour. But it depends in your preference. But this is important to avoid procrastination, and of course it helps you move forward with your timeline. And lastly, complete your tasks early, enough to have some time left for a final review. So for students that do their assignments, their projects on the last minute, they don't really have enough time to review what they did, and costing them points, and yeah. So I hope this short presentation helped you, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for listening. Bye.